So guys, now we're going to see how to scroll down till an element is found. So obviously you need to store the XPath or ID whatever of that particular element in a variable. So before that, I'll just copy this line only. Yeah, paste it over here. So that means it should first open this refiner.com, then it is going to wait for 3 seconds, then it is going to maximize the total window. Okay. So after that, we have to write a variable. For example, if you wanna you can say, okay, yeah, so in case if you want to search till this SQL guide, okay, so in that case I'll just copy the XPath of it. Yeah, you can see this is the XPath. Okay, before that I just need to write over here SQL course equals to driver dot find element by XPath, and in the parentheses we are going to paste that particular XPath. So I'll copy the XPath from here and paste it over here. Okay, this is a really big XPath, and I also need to change it with a single quotation. Okay, perfect. So after that we're going to write the JavaScript part, right? So we will write over here driver dot execute script, and in the parentheses we are going to write double quotation and then arguments. In the parentheses we are going to write 0 and then dot scroll into view. Okay, you can see properly this I and V is in capital. Okay, that's it. Then you have to write a parenthesis, and since this is the end of the JavaScript code, so you have to write semicolon. Okay, and after that we are going to pass the variable where that particular ID or XPath is stored. So here it is SQL underscore course. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So let's try to run it. Before that I'm going to add one more sleep over here so that you can see it properly. Sleep 3, perfect. So let's try to run it. You can see it open this automated browser. Now it is going to load refiner.com, then after 3 seconds it should maximize the screen. Yeah, and after 3 seconds now it should go to the complete SQL guide section. Well, it is not moving to that particular section. Let's see the code. Okay, there is an error. Execute. Okay, this is execute, not execute. And also 0 should be in the box bracket, not in the parenthesis. Okay, so I'll just write over here in the box bracket 0. Okay, that's it. So again I'll just need to close this one and run this cell. Okay, it opened this automated browser. It is loading Refinder. Now it should maximize. Okay, perfect. After 3 seconds it should go. Yeah, you can see it moved to that particular section. Since we choose the ID or XPath of that particular section, so it is at the top position. So I actually need to choose this trending tutorial section, right? So I'll just choose that one. Here it is. Copy the XPath, paste it over here. Okay, perfect. Make it single quotation. Okay, let's run it again. So you can see it opened this automated Chrome. It is loading refiner.com. After 3 seconds maximizing the screen. Yeah, perfect. And yep, perfect. So you can see now it moved to this trending tutorial section. So this is in the top, and yeah, perfect.